My husband's going to remove the wheel to make it easier for us to put in the new windshield pump.
Okay, this is an old one. Okay, you just pull it from the bottom, unhook the connector, and I'll show you the crack. Okay, crack right there, and the water is leaking, so we're gonna have a new one placed. Okay, it look like, well, this is for 06 Camry 4-cylinder.
We have a new windshield pump just arrived.
This is a new one. We got it from online. It arrived today. So we're gonna put it in. Okay? So same way you take it off. Make sure it all going all inside and snug, so it don't cause a leak. Put the connector back. There you go. Click. And then there's a hose for your water that shoot to your windshield. It's over here. Just push it.
Do it.
And so we're gonna add water. Very dry. See? That's good. See if we check there's no leak. We're gonna try the rest of them. Yeah. Now for the
Cap back on.
Hey, it's gone. No more windshield wiper, little yellow sign there. Perfect. Hey, working. All right. Thank you for watching, guys.